Good. Then the next part is covering, and that's the final part, the installation or the setup of the environment. And we are going to use UV for that. So we have to make sure that it is installed. I can make the terminal visible by clicking on View Terminal, and then in the terminal we can run pip install UV just to make sure that this package is available, and then we can call UV sync. What this is doing is that an environment is created in this folder with all the different packages that we need, and then we can also click here on to confirm that we want to select it for the workspace folder. Yes, we want that. And now all the packages that are defined in this PyProject TOML file are going to be installed. And ideally, everything should just work and you shouldn't run into any issues, so that the environment is going to be installed perfectly. All right, now we can move into this environment by just changing the folder and calling activate. We can see that we are now inside this environment by taking a look at the beginning of this prompt, because here in the brackets we can see now the environment against which we are working. Every package that we are now installing, we could add packages by calling UV add, and then followed by the package name. Just for example, we could use pandas, and then see that this is already installed. Any other package you could also install like this.